Are you ready to do this stamping project? Today we are going to have so much fun. So let's be creative. We are going to create our own stamps and we are also going to create our homemade ink pads to stamp our imagination on paper. Let's learn how to do it.
To create ink pads, put this sponge in this box like I'm putting it. Now take one of the color and spread it on this sponge. Pour enough color and then take a brush and spread it evenly. Sponge will absorb all the color and then this ink pad is ready to stamp. This is the form sheet and I have drawn all the shapes for stamping. I will cut it and I have stick that shapes on this cardboard. Now I am taking this cap. I am showing you how I have stick this. I am applying glue, fabric glue, and I will stick this on my cardboard. You have good quality wood blocks on which you can stick your shape. Now I will stamp it. I am stamping it. You can see this cap is in left direction because I have stick it in right direction. See, if I will stick it in right direction, it will be printed on left direction. It is like mirror effect. So if you want your cap, if you want your cap to be show in right direction, right side, you have to stick it in left direction. Like I'm doing this. I'm sticking it in left direction. So now it will be stamped like this on right direction. See. This is left side cap. Now I will stamp it. This cap will show in right direction. Got it? It is like mirror effect. I have created these other stamps with different colors. Now I am stamping another shape. I am creating a boy. In your kit you have so many different shapes so that you can create a boy, girl and other things. Now I will use this cap. Set the position and just press it. You have wooden blocks for stamping, which is so much better than this cardboard. See, cap is ready, and now what we will do? We will stamp eyes, nose, now check the position and stamp it very carefully. Press it properly and done. These specs are cool, right? Now I will stamp a nose. It should be on proper place. Check it and then stamp it. This boy is looking so cool. What do you say? See, he's smiling. Use your imagination and you can create so many cards, birthday cards, any greeting card, and you can also apply this stamping on cloth. Now let's create some new characters with these stamps, which I am showing here. These are hairs and these are ink pads, and this is a greeting card. Inside you can write a beautiful message, and at the front page you can create a character and can write happy birthday message. You can create happy birthday card or Mother's Day card or thank you card. You can create so many different cards for your relatives, friends. Stamp it properly, put it properly, and now press it well. Stamp it properly, paste it properly. See, this body part is done. Now we will stamp a hair. If you don't want to print long hair, you can also stamp short hair. This is the trick. I'm using this rough paper. Put it here and just stamp it. Little part of this hair will be stamped on this rough paper, and we will get a short hair. See, you can do this trick with all of your stamps. Now I am using this shape. You can rotate your stamp and print it vertically, horizontally. You can print it in cross. Use your imagination and show your creativity. This is the same stamp, but see, it has different result when I use it vertically and horizontally. And we can also use pen to make this character attractive. I am drawing hand and legs with this pen. You can also use your fingers, any object at home to stamp using ink pads. Now let's create some background. I am using this triangle shape and stamping these triangles. See here, I have used only one time. I have used ink pad only one time and stamped it 3 times, and it getting lighter and lighter every time. Now I will write a message, happy birthday. You can give this to your mother, to your friend on any occasion. Our card is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Now our next project is this clothing bag. This bag is of cloth. I'm putting rough paper inside and I will stamp on this. I'm using this shape for body. You can also do one thing. You can put your stamps and spray colors so that it will create a silhouette effect. You can do so many things. Use any objects at home also. Create your own stamps at home using forms. Create different shapes. Just show your creativity. Do it. Enjoy it. Whenever you will enjoy, you will get so many ideas. So do it with enjoyment. See, I am putting this shape in cross. So this cap is printed this way. Isn't it so cool? So let's now stamp eye and nose. Don't be in hurry, do it with patience. Green color is not visible, so I am using blue color. Now we will stamp a nose. Use triangle shape and I am using green color here. Put it at proper place. See, so cool. Now I will create a background with round shape stamp. We can use different colors also. Now I am printing red color. You can put your stamps in this bag. Your personalized customized bag which is having all of your stamps which you have created. Isn't it amazing? Now I am using blue color. I will remove this paper and now you can put your stamps here. Enjoy!